Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be washing my hair with some homemade black soap shampoo that I made. I will be posting a separate video on how I made this, but let's get into this wash day with black soap. So first what I did is I, just focused most of the black soap on my scalp. Now the first time around, it really didn't lather up that much, and I was thinking it's because my hair is probably still dirty. And then also in most shampoos, what makes it lather so well are like sulfates or some type of sulfate ingredient in most shampoos that's what makes it lather. But as the video continues to go on, you will see it starting to lather, especially after I do that first rinse and then I put it on again. It lathers up like pretty good. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna let you guys watch me wash my hair with this black soap, and then I will be back with the next step. Okay, so for my deep conditioner, I will be using the Shea Moisture's Intense Hydrating Mask. This is probably like the best deep conditioner or mask that I have used from Shea Moisture. It smells really good. It's very thick and creamy. When you put it on your hair, it just melts your curls. Like, you can finger detangle with this. Now there is, I think it's some points in the video where I do use a comb. It's probably because I made the section too big. Like, I can't like detangle my hair in really big sections because my hair is super thick. It's really thick. So yes, the black shampoo that I made, it made my scalp feel really, really good. Like, No other shampoo has ever done that. I will be coming to you guys with some new products that I'm going to be trying. Their anti-aging products, so watch out for a video for those products. I'm so excited to try them. I can't wait. But yes, this conditioner is probably the best conditioner I use from Shea Moisture. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure. Yeah, ooh, you're mine for sure. Okay, so after I applied the Shea Moisture Deep Conditioner, I'm gonna pin my hair up, sit under the dryer with a plastic cap for about 30 minutes. And then this is after the 30 minutes. My hair felt so good. It was like really soft. This is before I rinse it out. It felt so good. It was like bouncy and everything. And this conditioner like smells so good. It's like, oh my god, like it just smells really, really, really good. So this is after I rinse it out. As you can see, my curls were like really defined and popping. You'll see in another clip or part of the video where I will show off my curls, because they were really popping. Like my curls were, oh my god. Next month I am gonna be straightening my hair because I just want an all around. I need a trim and I need an all around even cut on my hair. So that will be next month. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.